Hello! It's great to see you again on Everyday Tricks. Have you ever bought a bag of lemons only to find that a few days later, they've shriveled up, dried out, or even turned black? This is a very familiar problem for housewives. Lemons seem cheap, but they end up costing money and going to waste because they spoil so quickly. Last October, I tried storing a few lemons in a jar, just to see if they would last longer. When I opened the jar this November, I was completely surprised. The lemons were still bright yellow, plump and juicy, just like when I bought them. In this video, I'll reveal a simple yet extremely effective preservation method that helps you keep lemons fresh all year round without them wilting or drying out, and it's very easy to do right at home. Step 1. Clean the lemons properly. As soon as you bring the lemons home, do not put them in the refrigerator right away. You need to clean the peel first. Prepare a bowl of clean water, put the lemons in, and gently rotate each one to remove dust and the waxy coating on the surface. Prepare a bowl of clean water, then gently place the lemons inside. Gently roll each lemon to remove dust and the waxy coating on the surface. Where are you watching this video from? Please leave your country or city name in the comments section. It's wonderful that we can connect from all over the world. Next, mix warm water, 30 degrees Celsius, and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The warm water and baking soda will help remove impurities and pesticide residues that regular water cannot wash away. Soak the lemons for 7 to 10 minutes. Then, rinse them under clean water and leave the lemons to dry completely on a towel or in a basket. Note: even a little moisture will cause the lemons to mold or spoil quickly. Then, rinse again under clean water and let the lemons dry completely on a towel or in a basket. Gently place the lemons in the jar, avoiding rubbing them against each other so as not to scratch the peel. Once the lemons are dry and the jar is ready, you've completed the most important step to keep lemons fresh for a long time. Tip 2. Preserve fresh lemons in brine for 2 to 3 months. First, check that the lemons are fresh and intact, as even a slight bruise on the peel will significantly reduce their shelf life. Next, prepare a large bowl, pour in about 1 liter of clean water, and add 2 teaspoons of salt. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Pour this salt water into a glass jar and gently place each lemon inside, ensuring the water covers the surface. Finally, cover the jar and store it in a cool, shaded place away from direct sunlight. That's all it takes to keep your lemons juicy and naturally fragrant for 2-3 months. Many professional chefs still use this method to ensure lemons stay fresh for dishes requiring authentic flavor. Tip 3. Keep lemons fresh without water for 2 to 3 weeks. This method is suitable when you only want to store lemons for a short period. Wash and dry each lemon thoroughly, as even a single drop of water left behind can cause mold to grow in the refrigerator. Next, cut a piece of plastic wrap just large enough, place the lemon in the middle, and roll it up. Press the plastic wrap tightly around the peel to minimize air exposure. Repeat with the remaining lemons and place them in a food storage container. Put the container in the crisper drawer of the refrigerator where the humidity is stable, and the lemons will stay fresh for 2 to 3 weeks without shriveling or changing flavor. Tip 4. Fermented, salted lemons can be stored for up to a year and taste better the longer they are stored. This is a traditional method used by experienced housewives, especially good for the elderly or people with weak respiratory systems. Place a lemon on a cutting board. Use a knife to lightly score an X shape at the top of the fruit, but do not cut through the bottom so that the structure remains intact. Do the same with all the lemons you have. Place a lemon on a cutting board. Use a knife to lightly score an X shape at the top of the fruit, but do not cut through the bottom so that the structure remains intact. Do the same with all the lemons you have. I have added subtitles in multiple languages. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect from all over the world. Then, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt into each cut. Put all the lemons in a clean glass jar, pressing gently so that the salt falls evenly into the crevices. To help the lemons stay crisp longer, I will add a finely chopped ginger root. Finally, pour filtered water over the lemons until they are just covered, then close the lid tightly. Leave the jar at room temperature for 3 to 4 weeks to allow the lemons to ferment naturally. Occasionally turn the jar or shake it gently to distribute the salt more evenly. Once fermentation is complete, store the jar in the refrigerator. The lemons can be kept for up to 12 months. After this time, the lemon peel becomes soft, fragrant, less tart, and beneficial for digestion and respiration. This is also a folk remedy that many families have used for generations. Tip 5. Start by washing the lemons and drying them, then place them on a clean chopping board. Use a sharp knife to cut the lemons in half horizontally and squeeze the juice from each half. Repeat for all the lemons you want to preserve. Next, prepare an ice cube tray and gently pour the lemon juice into each compartment. This method is extremely convenient, ensuring you always have fresh lemon juice on hand for hot tea, honey lemon water, or daily detox drinks. Place the tray in the freezer compartment of your refrigerator. When needed, simply take a frozen lemon cube, add a little warm water and honey, stir well, and you'll have a delicious, nutritious glass of lemonade that tastes just like freshly squeezed lemon. Freezing helps preserve the natural tartness, aroma, and vitamins, while keeping the lemon juice fresh for weeks to months without spoiling. Tip 6. Store whole lemons in the freezer. Prepare a Ziploc bag. Place each lemon in the bag, without stacking them on top of each other. If you have many lemons, divide them into several bags for faster and more even freezing. Use a straw or press your hand to push all the air out before sealing the bag. The less air in the bag, the less likely the lemons are to suffer freezer burn. Place the bag of lemons in the freezer. Using this method, whole lemons can be stored for up to 6 months, retaining their aroma, natural freshness, and most of their vitamins. Have you tried any of these 6 methods yet? Which one do you think works best for you? Share your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear your opinions and learn more tips from you. I hope these little tips help you save time, reduce food waste, and always have fresh, delicious lemons on hand year-round. If you found the video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the simple, effective kitchen tips I'll be sharing next. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Wishing you a day full of energy, joy, and happiness. See you in the next videos.